What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to go over bull flags, how to identify them, and how to play them. So it's a bullish continuation pattern, and the best time to play it is at the breakout level with great volume. So you see right here, FCN had a nice run from February, just kept going up, 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 and then price is taking a breather, looking for a leg higher. So this would be your flag pull, and then these making higher lows, boom, is your flag pattern, just like that. So the best way to play these is look for the breakout. Yes, you can get in at the bottom of the channel and hope for the ride up to break up, but you don't know when it's going to decide to go up. So it's always good to look at the volume, and you see there's nice volume here. So if we get another nice green candle, we can possibly see a breakout sometime next week. But let's see. My first thing to watch for, let's just say it does break out next week. Another candle right here goes higher. First place would be my last time it touched the top of that channel. I would look for it to become support, and then I would go back right here. When it touched the top of that channel, there would be my scale out place, and finally my target price. So if price decides to go breakout, I would get in, look for it to either hold or just keep going. If it holds through this 141.64 right here, this will be a support. It goes through, goes through, goes through, and it hits my target price right here. I would scale out. So I would leave a runner, but I already secured profit. That last contract is basically free. I don't care if it goes up or goes down, but I'm still setting my stop loss here at my target price. And see if it decides to keep going, I'm all out. I'm taking all my money. I don't care if it keeps going. I don't care. This is my plan. I executed it. So some people do like to get in at the bottom here, but you might get faked out. But the great time to spot the breakout is with a nice volume bar of the day, or you can either be news or anything like that, but you do got to look at the volume. If you have a nice breakout bar, boom, look for the continuation. This is how easy it is to play bull flags, and you can play bull flags on any time frame. Me, I like doing it on either the daily, the 5, or the 15. So last week I did play PLTR bull flag. I think it was on 5 minute. And right here, you see it. I already had it drawn up because I played it on the 23rd. So PLTR started out with a great candle. Boom, took a breather, continued higher. This created the pull. Now price is making higher lows, creating the flag. You see at the breakout, look at this. Look at the difference in the volume. Low, 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 and then boom. That's how you know to get in. People are buying up. You get in, set your stop loss right here at the breakout level, and ride it on up. PLTR went to my first level I mentioned earlier, right here, and it used it as support. Kept going, hit my first target, scaled out, and then kept going up, slight chop before close. But the reason I held it for the next day was because it was still higher than my first target price, which became its support. Boom, nice bounce. And then right here, I sold at open. I just already had it sold at open because it's still a gap up for me. I don't care that it kept going. I had my plan, I set it, and I played it. So with bull flags or any other pattern, you got to wait for the pattern to come to you and snipe it. That's all you have to do is patience, patience, patience. You can take one contract, 3 contracts, it doesn't matter. Just let the pattern come to you and play it accordingly. So I hope this guys would help you out on how easy it is to identify a bull flag and how to play it, when to enter and when to exit. And don't forget to like and subscribe.